As one of the most important sense organs, the eyes are constantly exposed to a variety of potential dangers. Whether it's flying debris, harmful chemicals, or ultraviolet rays, it's important to take steps to protect your eyes from injury. One of the easiest ways to do this is simply to wear eye protection when working where eye hazards exist. In this lesson, we will discuss the most common eye hazards, safe work practices to protect your eyes, and what to do in case of an eye injury. Preview. Accidents can always happen, and whether it's a paper cut or something more serious, any type of injury to the eye should be taken seriously and treated immediately. Your vision is a valuable asset you shouldn't take for granted, so it's important to take measures to protect your eyes while on the job. By being aware of potential hazards and taking precautions, you can help keep your eyes safe from harm. The most common accidents occur from the use and misuse of tools and equipment. This includes hand tools and tools that use compressed air. The majority of workers receiving eye injuries were not wearing eye protection. Other injuries can occur when there is poor housekeeping, there are splashes or vapors from chemicals, there is intense light from welding or lasers, flying particles from saws or other types of grinders, and long periods of uninterrupted time staring at a computer screen can lead to headaches, eye strain, or blurred vision. Working with tools, chemicals, or other materials that have the potential to cause eye injuries is one of the most common dangers in many workplaces. Employees should take time to assess hazards in their work area and either remediate the risks or protect themselves against them. The primary prevention to eye injury is protection. Keeping the eyes shielded with the proper equipment is essential. The following are some types of eye protection used. Safety glasses are the most commonly used eye protection. They are made much stronger than casual wear lenses. They are impact resistant and come in prescription and non-prescription. Goggles are very similar to the safety glasses, but they fit much closer to the eyes. These are necessary when working in situations which could result in chemical splashes, fume vapors, and dust injuries. Face shields are often required to guard against molten metal and chemical splashes. These shields can be made to fit over a hard hat or to wear directly on the head. And welding masks are vital to protecting your vision while welding, plasma cutting, or other tasks that produce large flashes of light. Arc flashes can cause temporary or permanent damage to vision. Welding masks may have a variety of features, but most importantly, need to meet ANSI Z87.1 standards. For more information on welding masks, check out our welding mask safety lesson. Other ways to protect your eyes at work include: ensure all equipment guards are in place and secure. Guards are required at all points of operation, and any other place moving parts could be exposed to operators. Plant equipment and machinery is the source of many eye injuries. Be sure to use guards, screens, and shields that are attached to any equipment. Eye protection is still necessary even when the equipment being used is guarded. Report missing, modified, or damaged guards to your supervisor, and do not use the equipment until the guard is replaced or repaired. Only allow trained employees to use equipment. Become familiar with and follow the manufacturer's instructions for the equipment. Don't forget the people who are bystanders or co-workers. If your job cannot be isolated, then your co-workers in your area also need to wear the proper eye protection. Be aware of your surroundings and be sure to remove any potential hazards before beginning work. If working with chemicals, always follow the manufacturer's safety instructions. If you're working in an area where there is a potential for objects to fall from above, be sure to wear a hard hat with an integrated face shield. Be familiar with all eye wash stations and how to operate them. Report any use of eye wash stations. And do not use compressed air to clean debris off your clothes and body. Pressure as low as 5 psi can cause injury, and debris leaving your clothing may likely go into your eyes at high speeds. If you suffer an eye injury at work, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. If the injury is severe, call 911 or your local emergency number for transport to the nearest hospital. If vision is blurred, do not drive yourself to the hospital or clinic. Have someone else drive you or call for transport. Not all eye injuries should be treated the same. The following are treatment recommendations for the most common types of eye injuries. For a sudden blow to the eye, apply a cold compress without pressure or tape crushed eyes in a plastic bag to the forehead and allow it to rest gently on the injured eye. And seek immediate medical attention if pain continues, if vision is reduced, or if blood or discoloration appears in the eye. When there is a penetration of the eye, do not wash out the eye. Do not try to remove a foreign object stuck in the eye. And seek immediate medical attention if the eye has been exposed to chemical splashes, including solvents, paints, hot liquids, or other hazardous solutions that can cause damage. Check the label for specific first aid instructions and follow those instructions. And if washing of the eye is on the label for treatment, wash the eye out for at least 15 minutes. Hold the eye open with your fingers and look into the running water. If the eye has been exposed to foreign particles including dust, dirt, metal, wood chips, and even an eyelash, flush the eye with water until the foreign object has come out. If for some reason you cannot rinse the eye, loosely bandage it and get emergency medical treatment. And never rub or try to remove objects embedded in the eye. In conclusion, there are a few things that you can do to protect your eyes from hazards at work. First, always wear safety glasses or goggles when working with or around potential eye hazards. Second, be aware of your surroundings and know where potential hazards are located. If possible, avoid working in areas where there are known eye hazards. Third, follow all safe work practices for eyes that your employer has in place. Finally, if you do suffer an eye injury, be sure to report it to your supervisor immediately and seek medical treatment as soon as possible. By taking these precautions, you can help keep your eyes safe while on the job. If you have any questions about how to protect your eyes at your workplace, please speak to your supervisor. I'm Vanessa, your safety trainer, reminding you to be careful and stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.
If you liked this video, please visit our YouTube channel for more safety training. Also, follow us on social media for OSHA updates, free safety webinars, reminders on safety tips, techniques, and more. What are you waiting for? Like, follow, or subscribe today, and stay safe out there.